Hey everyone, how y'all doing today? So in the beginning of the year, I thank everybody for subscribing to the channel and supporting it and all that good stuff. Then I told them about my plans that I had for 2019 and some things I want to do on the channel, and also I want to do some giveaway. So I'm living up to my promise and I'm about to start my first giveaway. Okay, so here it is. This is my first giveaway. It's a dash cam by Rove. And it has 1080p at 30 frames per second. It's got the shock sensor. If you get in an accident, it's going to just lock in that recording. It has loop recording, so it keeps recording over the stuff until something really happens. And the screen is about 3 inches. The lens f.2, if that means anything to you. The sensors is made by Sony, so it's got a good camera sensor in there. And it can survive in temperature from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Battery is built in. The only thing you need for it is a SD card so it can save your recording. It doesn't come with it, but everything else is in the box. The cable, the camera, the mounting suction cup so you can mount it to the windshield, the manual, all that is in this box. It's brand new. It hasn't been used, so you don't have to worry about it getting a used item here. This is a brand new item and it's still in the box. I've broken the seal just to make sure everything was in the box before I ship it out. So that's the only reason why the seal is broken. But I can show you right now that everything is brand new. See, there's still the little plastic cover that comes on the lens right here. All the stuff is in the bag. All the manual is in there. All the cable. Still wrapped up. And all the stuff that you use to mount it to the windshield are in this box right here. So like I said, this is a brand new dash cam. I'm running it on my first giveaway, and I'm gonna try to run one every single month. And the day of the giveaway is going to be on the 26th of each month. I picked that day because December 26th is my birthday. So it's going to be like I'm celebrating my birthday every month, but instead of I'm receiving, I'm giving. So that's the plan. So like I said, this is going to be my first giveaway. Go ahead and hit the link in the description. That's going to take you to the page on my website where you can start entering your entries and get a chance to win this dash cam. Okay, so go ahead and hit that link in the description and head over there right now. Put your entries in, because on the 26th I'm gonna pick a winner, contact them, and then I'm gonna make arrangement to get this thing shipped to them. And you can be that person, so don't delay. Okay, so I wanna wish you luck, have a good one, and I'll see you next time.